In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an order form in Wix. To get started, open your Wix Studio Editor. This is the main workspace where you will build and manage your site, and where the order form tool will appear as you add new elements. Once you have the editor open, take a moment to look at the page or canvas you are currently working on. It helps to know where you want the form to live, so you can place it in a visible, user-friendly location. Next, click the plus icon. The plus icon is the entry point for adding new sections and components to your page. As you click it, you should see a menu or panel appear with different categories of items you can add. This step matters because the order form is not something you build from scratch. Instead, you add a ready-made form component and then customize it. Now, click Contact and Forms. This category is where Wix groups tools related to communication and form submissions. By going into this category, you narrow the options to items that are designed for collecting information from visitors, including contact forms, registration forms, and order forms. After that, click Order Form. When you select this, Wix will show you the available order form templates and options. At this point, you are basically choosing the structure of the form first, and later you will tailor it to match your needs. This is useful because it saves time and ensures the form looks consistent with Wix design standards. Then, choose an order form. You can think of this as selecting the form style and layout you want. Look through the options that appear and pick the one that best fits the type of ordering you want to support. For example, you may prefer a layout that is clean and minimal, or one that is more structured for product and quantity input. Once you have chosen the order form, click it. This confirms your selection and typically places the order form element onto your page or prepares it to be added. Watch for the form to appear on the canvas, or for Wix to highlight the area where it will be inserted. This is the moment when your page gains the actual form component, ready for customization. Now, customize the form. Customizing means adjusting the details so the form matches your business and your audience. You will usually be able to change the fields and settings within the order form experience, such as what information customers provide and how the submission behaves. Take your time here and review the form carefully as you adjust it, because this is what your visitors will use to place orders. If something looks unclear or missing, this is the right time to refine it so customers can complete the form without confusion. After you have finished customizing, click Publish. Publishing is the final step that makes your changes live on the internet. Until you publish, your visitors will not see the order form in its live version. When you click Publish, Wix will handle the deployment process so your site and its new order form appear for real users. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.